press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
तो फिर वेलकम है ladies and gentlemen to Colors TV presents IWM Buzz TV Video Summit and Awards in association with BARC India.
We would like to announce the BARC numbers helped to shortlist the winners, but finally People's Choice Award Janta Awam was also taken into account. Therefore, the final winners are based on BARC data plus votes. So, let us begin by introducing the first category for the night. The award for Best Infotainment Channel in the year 2018 for the one who cracked the correct balance between entertainment and information. The leader nominees for Leader Infotainment, 6 megacities, 2 plus AB are.
Nominations for Leader in Infotainment: Animal Planet, Discovery, History TV 18, National Geographic Channel, Sony BBC Earth.
To present this award, we would like to call Manshi Kumar from BARC India and Pankaj Krishna from Chrome DM.
Finally. Manshi ji, Pankaj ji,
Okay, so no surprises here. The award goes to Discovery Channel.
winners like to say something?
Thank you so much. It's an honor to have this award, and we absolutely love being here. And thank you so much.
The next award is for the Best Lifestyle Channel of the Year. The channel that broadcasted premium content with style, swag, and the sizzle. Nominees for Leader, Lifestyle, 6 megacities, 2 plus AB are.
Nominations for Leader in Lifestyle: Food, Fox Life, FYI, TV 18, Living Foods, TLC.
So we go ahead?
Yes, absolutely.
We open the envelope, and the winner for the lifestyle category goes to TLC. Same category. That's it. You want to say something
Thank
now?
you.
Thank you so much.
You want to say something now?
Thank you for the award. I mean, our entire team is here. It's a very exciting brand, TLC, Discovery. We put a lot of love into all of our content, and yeah, I think everybody will be pretty excited tonight when we go back. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Manishi. Thank you, Pankaj.
Thank you.
All right. Next up, the most loved category, the one with the highest TRPs ever, sports channels. A world of programming where any time is prime time depending when you go live. Nominees for Leader Sports, All India 2 plus are.
Nominations for Leader in Sports: Sony 10-1, Sony 10-3, Star Sports First, Star Sports 1, Star Sports 1 Hindi.
And to present this award, we'd like to invite upon stage Manish Singhal from Dangal, Bhojpuri Cinema, Enter 10 Bangla, Enter 10 and Fakta Marathi, and Amit Sethia from Siska.
The award goes to Star Sports Hindi.
Thank you.
Thank you so
Congratulations.
much.
Congratulations. Request you all to stay back. Next is your go-to channel for any mood, for the latest trailers and the coolest beats, also popular for in-house parties and most watched amongst the teenage audience. Nominees for Leader Music, All India 2+R.
Nominations for Leader in Music: 9X Jalva, 9XM, B4U Music, Masti, Sony Mix.
Well, the award goes to 9XM. Congratulations.
Congratulations, 9XM. Thank you. That would be tragic if we didn't have a picture for that. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. It is time to welcome someone very special on stage. And now, ladies and gents, ये वो हस्ती है जो अपनी फिल्मों में हंसते हंसते स्कॉर्पियोज उड़ाते हैं और खतरों के खिलाड़ी में सबको स्कॉर्पियोज खिलाते हैं.
आ जाइए सर.
Please welcome the master of blockbusters, the man with a golden track record and a golden heart as well, Mr. Rohit Shetty. चलना देना. सर ये हमारी तरफ से छोटी सी भेंट आपके फिल्मों में उड़ा देना सर.
एक काम करो, ये मेरी तरफ से गिफ्ट आपको, इसमें घर जाना आज.
थैंक यू सर.
आप रख लो.
ये वेरी जनरस सर.
ओके, थैंक यू. अच्छा बुलाया क्यों?
अच्छा बुलाया क्यों था?
बुलाया क्यों था?
सर वो एक अवार्ड
देना है. ओके.
नहीं नहीं, आपको सर इंटरेक्शन भी करना है सर.
हाँ हाँ
मतलब
भी करेंगे.
सर
रेटिंग मिलेंगे नहीं सर.
अच्छा
सर तो बुला लें जिससे आपको इंटरेक्शन करना है सर.
बुला लो.
अरे
बुला लें.
सिंगम और
सिंघम,
सिम्बा
हाँ,
जाग रहे हैं
सर.
उनकी आंखों में चल काम करते हैं. थैंक यू सर फॉर द गिफ्ट. हम लोग भी उड़ाएंगे. All right. We'll call on stage Nikhil Gandhi, President, Times Network, and eminent journalist and author, columnist, and biographer, Ram Kamal Mukherjee. Can we have you all on stage?
Congratulations, Rohit. The interaction is very casual and short because we have a couple of guests tonight. I'm very happy to have you on stage. The only thing I wanted to kind of ask you is that what is the difference or happiness that you get when your full-length feature film scores 350 crore and when your show also hits the highest TRP? What is the most happiness that you get, or the happiness is different?
Well, it's quite a tricky question. I'm on a TV platform, so I better say that I'm happy when the rating goes high. When I'm here, the moment I go for some other award function, that I'll say what seriously, it's like you're happy for your achievements. you know, whether it's TV or whether it's cinema. I don't see, I don't compare them because we become brand because of television. We do well, whatever films we do, but when it's on satellite or when we do television shows, you become a brand because of television. I think it's a very powerful medium. So happiness is for both. Yeah, I can't say that I'm whether happy that the show is rating so high or the film is doing so well. It's just that everybody has worked hard on the film and as well as on the show. And if both do well, I'm happy for the technicians also, not only for me, whether it's about my show or my film.
Second and the last question is that when you're on Khatron Ke Khiladi, you're tough. You're on your set, it seems like Ranveer is a very good friend of mine. So he said that he's equally tough on stage. So what is the quotient of toughness when you're a director on your set and when you're hosting a show?
Fear factor with Khatron Ke Khiladi, it's different. More than being tough, you have to be alert because action is happening and the guys who are performing are not trained stuntmen like how we have in our films. So you have to be very alert and careful and see to it that nothing goes wrong. It's quite a risky stuff. Where films are concerned, I'm not, like, it depends on how the day is, you know. Every day is like a new day, how you behave. And with the director, it happens, not only with me, with Farah, with everyone. Like, sometimes you have to face some problems, sometimes you're frustrated, sometimes you're very happy, sometimes you're overwhelmed with your work. So it depends how your day is.
Superb. I think you've given blockbuster answers also. So I would request you to kind of, you know, honor Rohit Shetty.
So can we have a round of applause for the special award?
Round of applause for the man who gave us Simba this year and
thank you so much.
A successful Khatron Ke Khiladi.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, Rohit sir, the most stylist host award.
I would like to call upon stage here on, I'm so sorry, but I have to there's a time constraint. So I'd like to call upon stage Ravina Tandon, who is with us tonight. And we have Ravina amongst us. Can I have a microphone for her? We were supposed to have a long conversation and chat and all that stuff, but we're running a little late. And I guess Anil is not well, right?
Yeah.
And she needs to reach home. So
I don't believe he's actually letting me go this early, but otherwise if you're on the other side of the firing line, as far as Ram is there, you're in big trouble. So he's been very good to you, Rohit.
No, I won't be...
I think the last one on the firing line is going to get the maximum. That's going to be you, Farah.
So I'm saying that, so Jeena isi ka naam hai.
Yes.
So how does it feel when you have a successful career in films and then you switch on medium and you become a part of TV, now you're becoming a part of the digital world, you turn into a producer. I'm not even counting all your social activities and other acts that you keep doing off and on. So how does it feel?
Well, I've always loved TV. And now I think the digital platform is also got such a strong outreach. It's literally in everyone's palms now. And the fact being that I've done about 6 or 7 reality shows, I've judged them. I've hosted 2 shows. One was Jeena Isi Ka Naam Hai that you said, and then there was Simply Baatein with Ravina, which it was a show dealing with a lot of empowered women, women entrepreneurs who made it in life, going through whatever they had to. But I actually love judging shows.
Oh.
I'll tell you all why. Because when we are doing a feature film, we are judged all the time. We have the critics who are telling us what we shouldn't have worn, what we should have worn, or how we should have acted, or how we should have not acted, or how we should have made the film. But when you're judging a reality show, you're suddenly in the judge's seat. You're wearing the best clothes, you're doing the best makeup, you're sitting and actually criticizing someone else, and you get paid for it. What more do you need, guys? So, well, jokes apart, but it's not as easy as it sounds, and even his job as a critic is not as easy as it sounds. We all have our share of ups and downs. But yes, TV is a very, very strong medium. It's literally in everyone's homes. Earlier on, people thought that was, going to be really strong competition for cinema. Every time there was something, people say, "Arey, video aa gaya hai, abhi cinema hall mein kaun jayega?" Correct. Television itna strong medium ho gaya hai, abhi cinema hall mein kaun jayega?
Sorry, Ravina, to kind of, butt in. I think you started with Sahib Bibi or Gulam long back,
Long
right?
time back, yeah.
Yeah,
So,
so even when,
second show.
yeah, correct. So, I mean, since then, I mean, you're probably one of the first mainstream commercial actor to kind of, experiment on small screen, right?
That's true. In fact, even Chak De Bacche, which was on a channel called 9X, and the thing was that was the first pioneer show on a reality show on dance with children. And then a lot of these other dance shows started coming in. So this was, I'm talking about like 15 or 16 years ago probably. And like I said, I think television is a superb medium, which is like literally in everyone's home. In a village or in some remote areas of our country, there might not even be a cinema hall in that village, but there will be TV in everyone's homes. So this is a complete, one-to-one outreach, literally. I think it's a great platform.
So coming on to the last segment of my question and my interaction, which I have to keep it really short, I would say that what is your understanding of this changing world? Like, where do you see content going? Where do you see cinema going? Where do you see serials going or reality shows going? Do you see a brighter future? Or you feel that digital world is kind of a threat to TV?
I don't think so. Like I said, that happened. I was coming to that actually, that, people thought that the video and television was a threat to cinema, but cinema still lasted. And now everyone's thinking the digital world is a threat to television. Actually not, because I think this is one of the best times for our film industry, at least, because whether you say actors, you talk about directors, writers, it has just broadened our horizons. There is so much content now that we are, very strong content. It's not even something that is, which you can encompass in a 2 hour and make a movie. And there's so much that you can, talk about. And if you have something that needs longer than that 2 hours that you're putting out in a cinema hall, you've got the digital platform, you've got television. And there is so much even experimentation that is going on now, which I think is fantastic, because there's different kind of cinema, there's different, every person has today a job, literally. So
I think that's very important. I think that deserves a round of applause.
Very
because we all have job and we all have, some sort of a recruitment is happening because of this huge revolution which is there.
Like in Farah's word, she'd say, all our Purana Chawals are also doing so well. This is Farah for y'all. Sorry, I had to say it. So
I would like to call upon stage a dear friend and a noted celebrated filmmaker, Onir, on stage to give away the award to. Ravina Tandon. Can we have the we are honoring Ravina Tandon for being, we are honoring Ravina for being the diva on screen, and I think she's the most deserving. And here is Onir.
Good evening, everyone. Feels really lovely really good to be giving this very special person. I think we celebrate 20 years of friendship. 1999 is when I first met her, and she's the same wonderful, loving person, and it feels really special. And so happy to be here today presenting you this.
Thank you, Onir. Thank you, Ravina. Thank you so much. Now I would like to call upon stage my favorite, my all-time favorite, and everybody's favorite, Farha Khan. Round applause for Farha Khan, who has given us.
भाई चल farah मैम आ गए स्टेज पे मैम गलती हो गई मैम माफ कर दो ना ऐसे क्या आपने 3
gags plan किया
Thank you for calling me sir, Farah.
He did.
अरे मैम आपने 30 शोज जज किए ना कम से कम अभी हम सुन रहे हैं कि अफवाह उड़ रही है कि आपको हाई कोर्ट और सुप्रीम कोर्ट में भी बुला रहे हैं जज करने के नहीं अच्छा हो जाएगा आप कितना कुछ लीगलाइज कर दोगे
तेरे लिए अच्छा हो जाएगा ना
हाँ
करेक्ट
Also, मैं Parsi हूँ, so all
Oh, you're
Parsis.
Parsi?
Yes.
Arey.
Shabash.
Yeah. Please legalize 2 marriages for Parsis, so more babies can happen.
I'm only half Parsi. I don't think I'm allowed to do that.
But you made 3, no? Okay.
ये मेरे को अवार्ड दे रहे कि मेरा रोस्ट हो रहा है इधर.
नहीं ऐसा नहीं मैम, आप ये मोमेंट को हम जाने नहीं दे सकते. देखो
बिल्कुल नहीं.
आप 1-2 स्टेप सिखा दीजिए. मनीष
मेरे
and me.
पैर टूटा हुआ है.
कुछ हाथ वाला सिखा दीजिए.
हाथ वाला सिखा दो.
हाथ वाला कर देंगे. देखो मनीष के काम में आएगा, कुछ काम मिल जाएगा.
Music, where's the music?
Where is this? Yeah, hey, Console, play some music. This has to go to the rhythm.
It's a Nagin dance.
This is a Nagin dance. Hit है sir. Okay.
This is a Nagin and this is a drunk Nagin.
This is drunk. Let us do the drunk Nagin.
Why am I being subjected to this and Rohit and Ravina escaped these two?
Because Rohit sir looked at us so ferociously. He said, "Bhai nikal, it was Singham or Simba will happen on stage only." And then he gave us our cards also back. बोले लेके जाओ, gift लेके जाओ.
Y'all are going to ask me anything or?
No, I think this is
Farah,
where we
I
stop
have
and
few
we just go.
questions for you.
Let's go like drunk Nagin.
Drunk nuggets. Back.
Sorry, big
Stage.
hand for both of them, please.
Farah, thanks for coming. And there are many questions, but I have to cut it short.
Thank you. उनके चेहरे देखो. खाना नहीं खाया है वो लोग ने.
खाना खा
तो
के आए
देखो
फारा.
पीछे.
खाना खा के आए 1 घंटा पहले.
ओ फिर पूछ.
I'm saying that, well, obviously he said that you've judged 30 shows and you are still judging and you're still pretty active on television. What is the difference that you feel on the set when you are judging and when you are being judged in your movies?
Yeah, when you are judging, like Ravina said, and Rohit also, we are stress-free. Camera toote, kuch bhi hoye, we are not bothered. And when we are directing from morning till night, we only have stress. We are only answering questions and we are only solving problems. And we are only massaging everyone's egos. So while we are with makeup and this, we don't have any stress.
So when you are judging like similar shows, like for example, I'm not taking names, like 2 dance shows where you earlier judge and later on you became a judge on another popular dance show. So what is in your head when you are judging is the difference, or what is the edge that you think that you are going to bring into a new show?
See, I think unfortunately I'm the same whatever I'm judging. Sorry, but I'm just myself. So I don't think that this is this kind of show. So मैं अपने आप को change करके मैं ऐसे कुछ intellectual बातें बोलूँगी और so I'm myself. I'm honest. I'm truthful. You have to be careful when you are judging celebrities. You have to be a little careful because they are colleagues. Sometimes they are peers, and you have to. And you can be a little more funny and humorous or real when there are non-celebrities on the show.
But do you get biased because you spend a lot of time with the contestants?
No,
so
I don't spend a lot of time with the contestants.
I mean, you keep seeing them on
but
weeks after weeks.
You have your favorites, but at least we don't get biased. I don't think any of us get biased. They are judged for their merit.
Let me ask you the cliche question of the century, that your experience on the sets, like something which you feel that is something you took home, like in film you have every day is a learning for you. Everything is a memory.
Even on set there are a lot of.
So share something with us.
So there's a lot of them, Ram. It'll be very long, but there are a lot.
Best वाला बोलो ना सबसे अच्छा.
Best वाला नहीं है, worst वाला बोल सकती हूँ. I am subjected to Anu Malik शायरी every day, every episode. But what we like is when you see somebody come from a small town or somebody, and by the end of the show, the person becomes a star and the person's dreams are fulfilled, their families, and you know that this person is set for life now. I think that is a great feeling. You see them as unknown people, and then by the end, the whole country knows them.
Superb, right. That was my short and sweet conversation with Farah Khan.
Thank you.
I would request
Thank you,
Rohit
everybody.
Shetty to come on stage.
Come on, Rohit.
To give away the award to Farah Khan.
Will they put this music off? I'm very happy that Rohit has given me this. There are some very few people who call you and who come to check up on you when times are bad. Everyone wants to be there in happy times. And even though Rohit and me were not such good friends, he was one of the few people who picked up the phone every day to check up on me. And I will never forget that. And I'm always there for you. I've told you that. Wheelchair के बाद नहीं पूछा था बाद में. And Ravina was also there when I broke my foot. Second time also when I broke it and I didn't tell anyone, she was still there.
मैम मनीष और मैं भी आए थे. Thank you so much. मनीष और मैं भी आए थे when you broke your foot. Then the चौकीदार said हमको ही प्लास्टर दे दिया, हमको ही भेज दिया. We tried really hard.
They are saying
वॉचमैन ने भगाया ना, तो तू खुद व्हीलचेयर पे आएगा तो कैसे आएगा?
Next time, I mean.
Please no next time. No more next time.
ऐसे ही आए.
Okay, so I'm supposed to say something for you. So something nice. Okay, something nice.
Something nice only he'll say now. He's on stage.
I think she's one of the finest technicians we have, and the way she conduct herself, like she's one of the favorite of the industry. I think she has, and I think the first, this should be on record, the first high-speed song, जो slow motion आम आदमी बोलता है, that was shot by Farah for Jo Jeeta.
And I've told Rohit I'm coming and choreographing every song of his next.
Definitely.
Whether he wants me or not, I'll still come.
So, and one of the finest technicians we have who understands cinema, who understands how to choreograph songs, Hindi film songs especially, and how to, I said that. And she comes a long way. Our struggles were similar. Our parents were like, whatever we went through was similar. So it's been a long journey, and we are the few people who love industry, like, because we are from here, like, we are from the industry.
Me, I think Rohit, Ravina, we are the ones who love Hindi movies.
Our emotions are like totally different because we're born and brought up in the industry.
Yes. Love you.
Me too.
Love you, Ram. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you, everybody. Thank you so much for
Ma'am,
this. Thank
say
you, boys.
something nice about Rohit sir, no? He's only
About
saying
Rohit
yes.
sir, I said, what were you, where you were sleeping or what when I said?
Shit, we were sleeping.
I said
on
there
it.
are very few people who come to help you when times are bad. Even though, again, repeat the whole thing again. And one of the few people that I am genuinely happy about his success. Normally we are always kudawing when somebody else's movie does well. But I think with Rohit, everybody is happy you're doing so
Thank you
well.
so much. Thank you.
And now, the award for the kids channel that captured the imagination and viewership of our youngest, coolest audience with their fresh and new content. काम बच्चों के लिए है, पर ये होता है सबसे कठिन. Nominees for Leader, Kids, All India, 2 to 14 years are
Nominations for Leader in Kids Entertainment: Cartoon Network, Disney Channel, Hungama, Nickelodeon, Pogo.
And the award goes to
Disney Channel.
Whoa! Thank you very much. Presenters, I request you to stay back. You all are looking very gorgeous, handsome, pretty. And now, the final category for the segment, the award for a channel that strikes the right balance between being mature yet crazy, being serious but cool, at the same time to make it click with the youth of the country. Nominees for Leader Youth, All India, 15 to 21 years are
Nominations for Leader in Youth Entertainment: E24, MTV, Zing, Zoom.
And the award goes to
MTV.
MTV. Can we have someone from MTV on stage? Thank you, presenters. Thank you for joining us and gracing us. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. Up next, the award for that leader English entertainment channel that successfully transcoded the language barrier to create its own niche viewership and also brought the most popular international shows to India. Nominees for leader English entertainment, 6 mega cities, 2+AB are
Nominations for leader in English entertainment: AXN, Colors Infinity, Comedy Central, Star World, Z Cafe.
And to present this award, we would like to call upon stage Shirish Pathan Shetty, partner Fakht Marathi and advisory board for Dangal Bhojpuri Cinema, Enter 10, Enter 10 Bangla, and Uttam Pal Singh, Head Discovery Kids, Discovery Communications.
And the award goes to?
And the award goes to Colors Infinity, SD.
Thank you. Presenters, I request you to stay back. One more award. This is the award of awards. वो चैनल जिसके फिक्शन शोज, गेम शोज, कॉमेडी शोज एंड एंकर्स इवेंट सब कुछ रहा है at its peak. This is the leader Hindi GC, Hindi speaking market, urban 2+, and the nominees are
Nominations for leader in Hindi GC: Colors, Sony Entertainment Television, Star Bharat, Star Plus, Zee TV.
The award goes to Colors.
Woo!
Congratulations, Colors. Thank you, sirs. Thank you, presenters. Thank you for being with us on stage. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Moving on to our next award for the night, the award for the English movie channel that won over its viewers with the best lineup and library up its sleeve. Nominees for leader English movie, 6 megacities, 2+ ABR.
Nominations for leader in English movies: HBO, M&X, Movies Now, Sony Pix, Star Movies.
And to present this award, we would like to call upon stage Ayanjeet Sen, senior film critic, and Ashish Banka, founder and business head, IWMBuzz.com.
A music multi-touch. And the award goes to?
And the award goes to Star Movies.
Thank you.
Thank you so
Thank you,
much.
presenters. Please stay back. Please stay back. One of the most popular channels in India, the Hindi movie channel, जहां आप अपने favorite movie की reruns भी देखते हैं और weekends पे family के साथ latest releases भी catch up करते हैं. Nominees for leader Hindi movies, Hindi speaking market, urban 2+ are
Nominations for leader in Hindi movies: Movies OK, Sony Max, Sony Wah, Star Gold, Zee Cinema.
And the award goes to Sony Max.
Woohoo! Congratulations.
Thank you. Congratulations to the winners and thank you, presenters. So sweetly you're giving us a mic back. Thank you. Now, officially the evening has gone into this space where everybody wants to take their awards and go home. So we're going to try and hurry up. Yes, pardon us. Next up is the award for the Business News Channel that was on point, on time and always up on the Sensex. Nominees for Leader, English Business News, All India Male 22 Plus AB are
Nominations for Leader in English Business News: BTVI, CNBC TV 18, CNBC TV 18 Prime HD, ET Now.
And to present this award, we'd like to call upon stage Raji M. Shinde, President Epic Television Networks Private Limited, and Nilesh Korea.
And the award goes to CNBC TV 18.
Thank you, sir. मैम आप लोग को दो चीज़ें बोलनी है मैम आई रियली लव व्हाट यू वेयरिंग इट्स लुकिंग वेरी नाइस नीलेश सर आप भी स्मार्ट लग रहे हो but please stay back one more award. Okay, now similarly an award for the channels that did their business as well but in Hindi. Nominees for Leader, Hindi Business News, Hindi speaking market male 22 plus ABR.
Nominations for Leader in Hindi Business News: CNBC Awaaz, Zee Business.
And the award goes to...
And the award goes to CNBC Awaaz.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you, presenters. Congratulations, CNBC. Nice brooch. Next award is for the English news channel that was the most popular amongst its viewers for their outstanding newsreaders, amazing anchors, prompt coverage, engaging debates, and a neutral tone. Nominees for Leader, English News, All India Male, 22 plus AB are
Nominations for Leader in English News: CNN News, India Today, NDTV 24/7, Republic, Times Now.
And to present this award, we would like to call upon stage Neeta Thakre.
Yeah. Neeta ma'am on stage. No wise comments. No.
Yes, Leader English News goes to Times Now.
Thank you, IWM Buzz. You know, the beauty of this category is that everybody claims to be number one, specifically one guy who screams on top of his voice. But I'm happy that BARC has acknowledged that there is one leader, there was always one leader, there is one leader, and there's always going to be one leader, Times Now. So thank you very much, everybody.
Wow, that is newsworthy. Thank you. Congratulations, Times Now. You have to make it on Times Now. और वही सारी चीजें हिंदी में करने के लिए इंडिया का सबसे चाहिता और मोस्ट ट्रस्टेड न्यूज चैनल बनने के लिए नॉमिनीज फॉर लीडर हिंदी न्यूज, हिंदी स्पीकिंग मार्केट 15+ आर.
Nominations for leader in Hindi news. Aaj Tak, ABP News, India TV, News 18 India, Z News.
Yes, leader Hindi news goes to Aaj Tak.
Congratulations, team आज तक.
कोई नहीं था कल तक, कोई नहीं है आज तक.
वो
सबसे तेज आज तक.
क्या बात. You really rehearsed that, didn't you? Like so confident you were going to win, and you really rehearsed that. But thank you for lighting up our lives and most deserving.
And
thank
congratulations, guys.
Thank you. So every few years TV पे एक ऐसा शो आता है जो beyond age, genre, gender, language सबका फेवरेट बन जाता है. जी हाँ, there are many examples. रामायण देख भाई देख, हम 5, क्योंकि सास भी कभी बहू थी, नागिन,
ससुराल सिमर का.
Fine, don't have to plug in everything.
What to do, yeah.
हम अपने ही shows के नाम ले रहे हैं. Sorry. I mean to now call on stage the makers and the cast of एक ऐसा show जो beyond all boundaries and broadcasts, the most loved, accepted and appreciated बन गया है.
Who else other than that one show which is called Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma?
And to present the award, may I like to call upon Siddharth Laik, founder, director and chief procrastinator at IWM Buzz. Asit sir, are you in? Asit sir is here. Ladies and gentlemen, the force behind Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma. भाई इनके साथ भी चलते हैं ना.
जी कुछ बोलना चाहेंगे आप?
Thank you, Siddharth. Thank you, IWM Buzz, Ashish Banka, Devyani, pura team. Thank you, BARC. Such a fantastic honor. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Siddharth. Thank you. And now, the award for the most coveted category, popular fiction show. ये हमारी तरफ क्यों आ रही? Weekdays, basically daily soap. अगर इस शो से आपने ऑडियंस को कैप्चर किया है, मतलब योर राइटर्स, प्रोड्यूसर्स, डायरेक्टर्स, एक्टर्स, ऑल आर स्टार्स. यहाँ सबको पूछना होता है, लेकिन पहुँचे हैं सिर्फ ये. जी हाँ, आई शुड टेक दैट अगेन. यहाँ सबको पहुँचना होता है, लेकिन पहुँचे हैं सिर्फ ये. The nominees of most popular show, Weekdays Fiction, Hindi speaking market 2+ are.
Nominations for most popular show, Weekdays Fiction. Kumkum Bhagya, Kundali Bhagya, Nimki Mukhya, Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma. Ye Rishta Kya Kehlata Hai?
And to present this award, I'd like to call upon stage Anang Desai sir.
Mr. Anang Desai, can we have you on stage, sir? सर, इससे पहले कि आप अवार्ड दे और कुछ कहे, मनीष और मैं दोनों आपकी तरफ एक बाव करना चाहेंगे. We have loved the work you have done over the years, and thank you for being a part of this business.
Thank you, sir.
And the award goes to
Most popular show, the award goes to ये रिश्ता क्या कहलाता.
Hurry, Rajan ji. Come on, this team deserves a louder round of applause. This is one iconic show which has made Indian television travel like no other. Rajan ji, please. Aye.
I want to mention one very special moment for me today. It was the year 1994, and I was an assistant. I just joined around 6 months back, 93, sorry, with Mr. Ravi Rai, my guru. And I remember there were 2 units which happened, and something Raviji had to go, and Anangji was the actor there, 1993. So he asked, because that time, actors don't like to work with new assistants or they direct them. And he asked Anangji, why not? He should direct me. And that time I remember I didn't even know how to do short division. I was drawing and did all his at Film City, I remember. So the first actor I directed in 93 was Anangji. So getting an award from him means really special. Thank you, sir.
Rajan ji, once again, thank you. More power to all the writers and the technicians and the actors who make this phenomena happen. Thank you.
Thank you, Siddharth. Thanks, Ashish. Thank you.
I will request the presenter to stay back, and thank you, Moshin, thank you, Shivangi. Thank you, Rajanji, thank you. And now, the award for the most popular show, Weekend Fiction, Hindi-speaking market, and the nominees are...
Nominations for most popular show, Weekend Fiction. Chandrakanta, Mahakali, अंत ही आरंभ है, नागिन 3, पृथ्वी वल्लभ, कयामत की रात.
And the award goes to?
And the award goes to Nagin 3.
Whoa! Congratulations, we have Paul representing the Nagin team. Paul, कहाँ जा रहे हैं? माइक ले यार, माइक. अब तू भी नागिन बन गया है ना?
हाँ जी.
तू भी नागिन बन गया ना शो में?
नहीं, बस मुझे छोड़ के बाकी सब नागिन बन गए.
तुझे छोड़ के
अभी कल ही मेरी माँ ने मुझे डसा.
अच्छा, फराह खान ने अभी नागिन डांस सिखाया था. तूने
मैंने अपलोड कर दिया.
कर एक बार करके दिखा स्टेज.
मेरा अलग है.
तेरा अलग है?
नागिन डांस. हम लोग रोज वही करते हैं ना.
You do it with something else or something?
नहीं, थोड़ा सा.
So come on, do it for us, man.
चलो आओ करते हैं. Come.
Yeah, come. Let's do the Nagin dance with the Nagin 3 boy.
Can you please hold this for a moment?
This is so exciting.
My favorite show.
आनंद सर, आप कहाँ जा रहे हैं? ऐसे थोड़ा होता है.
It's.
अच्छा, you watch it.
हाँ, you should only watch that. This doesn't suit you.
Okay.
And up.
That's it.
That's it.
ज़्यादा मजाक नहीं बनाना चाहिए अपने शो का. अवार्ड मिला है. Yeah, thank you so much.
Congratulations.
You're very good, both of you. And thank you so much. It's an honor to receive this one. And I actually thank everybody on the behalf of Ekta ma'am and the show. And thank you so much, Ekta ma'am. And thank you so much, Balaji. Thank you so much. जितने भी मेरे सारी cast है सबको, dedicate this to all of you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Paul. Thank you for remembering to say all. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you, Anand. Next award is Most Popular Special Integration Fiction, and the nominees are...
Nominations for Most Popular Special Integration Fiction. इश्क सुभान अल्लाह, आपके आ जाने से, प्यार की तकरार का महासंगम. कुमकुम भाग्य, कुंडली भाग्य, भाग्य लिखे होली स्पेशल.
And to present this...
कुमकुम भाग्य, हजार का शुक्रिया. रिश्तों का महासंगम, महक पियाल बेला. शक्ति, अस्तित्व के एहसास की महामिलाप सलमान खान के साथ।
Wow. All right, so to present this award, we would like to call upon stage, sir, Asit sir, एक और बार फिर से, Asit Modi sir.
अपने सीधे चश्मे के साथ आ रहे हैं वो। आशीष सर कैसा लग रहा है अवार्ड लेकर एक और एक अवार्ड देने के लिए?
बस मेरा भाग्य अच्छा है, ये अवार्ड अनाउंस कर रहा हूँ। कुमकुम भाग्य।
क्या बात है?
1000 का शुक्रिया।
कौन है इसका जिम्मेवार? Anybody from team कुमकुम भाग्य?
Can we have someone from the spin-off?
अच्छा। ये on behalf of team कुमकुम भाग्य.
Thank you so much.
We should reduce the lights on stage. Her dress is enough.
Absolutely.
I want to clarify this that even though I belong to Kundali Bhagya, but I am receiving this on behalf of Kumkum Bhagya because obviously both have sisterly relation.
Yes.
So congratulations Kumkum Bhagya team, and on behalf of Kumkum Bhagya, I'd like to thank everyone who's given this award to us. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Sir, I'll request you to stay back. You're like the lucky charm. Next award is Most Popular Special Integration Non-Fiction Hindi Speaking Market 2+, and the nominees are
Nominations for Most Popular Special Integration Non-Fiction: Dance Divane, Akshay Kumar promoting Gold. Indian Idol, Salman Khan. Kaun Banega Karodpati, Prakash and Mandakini Amte. Rising Star, Sukhwinder Singh. Super Dancer, Chapter 2, Raghav and Dharmesh.
अब बोलना चाहिए.
And the award goes to
डांस दीवाने.
Woohoo!
All right. We have the winners fighting on stage. तालियां बजती रहना चाहिए. Come on, यार. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Asit sir. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. अगला अवार्ड इज फॉर दैट नॉन फिक्शन शो जिसने ऑडियंसेस को वीकडेज पे अपने काम और करियर के बाद एंटरटेन किया और टीआरपीज को बटोरा भी. Nominees for most popular show weekdays non-fiction Hindi speaking market 2+ are
Nominations for Most Popular Show Weekdays Non-Fiction: Big Boss, India's Next Superstars Pathshala, Kaun Banega Karodpati, Sabse Smart Kaun, Zindagi Ke Crossroads.
And to present this award, we would like to call upon stage Mrs. Shalini Gupta, Vice President Inox, India, and Franklin Tuscan, Founder, CTO, IWM Buzz.
And award goes to Kaun Banega Karodpati.
wow. I think this is seriously well done. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Presenters, please stay back. And now the award for the most popular show weekend non-fiction हिंदी स्पीकिंग मार्केट 2+. अपने कज़न, दोस्त और पड़ोसी की शादियों में जाने से ज़्यादा ऑडियंसेस ने घर पे रहकर ये शो देखना प्रेफर किया है. एंड द नॉमिनीज आर
Nominations for Most Popular Show, Weekend Non-Fiction. Dance Divane, India's Best Drumibars, Indian Idol, Rising Star, Super Dancer Chapter 2.
So the most popular show weekend non-fiction goes to my favorite too, Indian Idol. Woo woo!
Thank you. Thank you. Congratulations. Thank you, presenters.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you very much. तो मनीष, next award is for the man on TV जिसने अपनी audience खुद बनाई. उनका टाइम भी जीत लिया और उनका दिल भी. अपनी एक्टिंग और पॉपुलैरिटी से अपने चैनल का हीरो बना और हमारे टीवी का भी. The actor par excellence, prime time hero of the year, Hindi speaking market 2+, and the nominees are
Nominations for Primetime Hero of the Year: Abhishek Sharma, Ashish Sharma, Dheeraj Dupar, Dileep Joshi, Mohsin Khan, Pearl V. Puri, Shabir Aluwalia, Saurabh Raj Jain, Vishal Aditya Singh, Vivek Dahiya.
And to present this award, we'd like to call upon stage Mr. Ram Kamal Mukherjee, Ashish Banka, and Honor Sir.
ये heavyweight award है. साथ में
The
बोलना.
winner is Dheeraj Dupar.
Woo!
Congratulations.
Congratulations,
Dheeraj.
And Dheeraj is looking very pretty today.
He's looking very bright also. Little round. So Dheeraj, how do you feel upon winning the award?
Well, he did tell me that if he wins, I should get this award on his behalf and say something nice. So, something nice.
Wow. All right.
Sorry.
So obedient.
Definitely, I'd like to thank many people on his behalf. First of all, the whole team of Kundli Bhagya, because I'm sure he also would mean to thank Kundli Bhagya team. And because, you know, when you get an award as the lead actor, actress, it's not just for you. It's definitely because of the whole team that puts in all the effort and you work like a family. And Kundli Bhagya especially, it's been the TRP topper and one of the, you know, in the top 5. And this, I always wanted to tell this to everyone, that there's something very, very magical about the show. Like, we are the actors who take maximum holidays. We also work outside the show, advertisements or whatever, other work. And we call in sick many times because whatever, sometimes we're actually sick. But this show still obviously is in the top 5 and never makes us work more than 12 hours and always have a bank of at least a week of episodes with it. So this is why I think it is, there's something magical about the show, and it's going to go on many, many years more, I'm sure, because it's just an amazing show.
I think safe to say you said something more than something nice.
Yeah. So this is for Dheeraj. Congratulations, Dheeraj. And Dheeraj, if he had taken this award, he would have thanked Vinny for sure. So I'm thanking Vinny Dhupar, Dheeraj's wife, on his behalf. Thank you so much.
So sweet. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for being such a good Samaritan. Presenters, please don't go anywhere. You all can check if there's any wardrobe malfunction is happening while we announce the next one. And now, the ultimate award for the night for that amazing actress जिसने हर घर में अपनी जगह बनाई. Beyond genders and genres, अपनी acting, अपनी grace और अपने style से audiences को channel ना बदलने पे मजबूर कर दिया. The actress who made everything else look ordinary. Primetime heroine of the year, Hindi-speaking market 2+, and the nominees are...
Nominations for Primetime Heroine of the Year. Bhumika Gurung, Disha Vakhani, Karishma Tanna, Madhurima Tully, Pooja Sharma, Shivangi Joshi, Shraddha Arya, Shriti Jha, Sonarika Bhadoria, Surbhi Jyoti.
And the award, यहाँ से क्यों बोल रहे हैं? सेंटर में जाइए ना, पैसा वसूल करेंगे हम स्टेज का.
Good evening, everybody. Primetime Heroine of the Year. I'd prefer to say Primetime Actress of the Year.
Yes.
Goes to any guess? No guess? Shraddha Arya.
Woohoo!
I think she's already given a speech.
Big round of applause for Shraddha Arya.
I would request her to actually speak for her own award.
Yeah, Dheeraj, how does it feel like winning again?
Come on. Call my name now at least.
Shraddha.
Thanks. Good. It sounds nice. Thank you very much. This really means a lot. I know this is very cliche, but it took me very, very, very long to come to this level, and I understand that there's a long way to go still. I don't know what to say. That's what happens when you don't prepare your speech. But thanks. I'd like to thank Colors and I'm
The
IW Media
Buzz.
and
Bark.
Bark. Yes. Thank you very much for this award. Thank you. And one person very distinctively I'd like to thank is Ekta Kapoor ma'am. She might as well be holding this award as how much she owns it. So thank you very much, Ekta ma'am. Thank you all. Thanks.
Thank you, Shraddha.
Thank you so much and congratulations once again.
Congratulations. Thank you, presenters. Thank you very much.
you.
Thank you, Shraddha.
Thank you so
Rest का तो पैसा वसूल हो गया, 3 बार आए तुम. And now, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you.
डर गया मैं. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we would like to thank our sponsors of Colors presents IWM Buzz TV Video Summit and Awards in association with Bark, powered by Nickelodeon, Epic TV and Zoom.